Quite a bit of quarter panel damage, as you can see. So I'm going to weld this tab right at the edge here. I have a Subaru Outback here. This one has quite a bit of quarter panel damage, as you can see, and it's also getting a new rear door. I'm gonna go ahead and start working this metal back into shape. Then once I roughly kind of get it where it's supposed to be, I'll have to fit the new door up and make sure this all lines up properly right here. So I have to bring out this edge right here. This is all rolled in. So I'm going to weld this tab right at the edge here and use that to bring that out. So I have this door sitting on here now, and I got my gaps lining up good. However, this is still pushed in from the door. The worst area is just about from there to there. So I'm going to weld another tab on here, a wider tab right there, and use that to bring that out to get it to where it lines up with the door. That did it. It didn't take much, just a couple hits with the slide hammer, and it's nice and flush now. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this tab off, clean that up, and this will be ready to do some fill work on.